as a part of the Artificial Intelligence Ordinance, which is kind of hard to say, so we usually just refer to it as AIO. Here we've developed a program which is, it's not really artificial intelligence exactly, but it takes and memorizes objects a little bit different than what common programs do. What it does is it takes and it'll read a document and memorize the theme of that document. When you ask the system a question, it'll refer you to that theme, reread the document really quick, and then give you the specific details. Kind of like what a human does, except the human process is a lot slower. You know, you have to go to the library, check out a book, all that sort of stuff. No. This program does it, you know, lightning fast. It's top of the line. It's actually pretty creepy. And when we started beta testing, actually we got a kind of weird result because the program seemed to just start rationalizing. Computers just can't start doing something. They have to be programmed. They just don't start doing something. They're not designed just to go willy-nilly, oh wow, this sounds cool, can I do this? Let's try this new thing. I mean, like, seriously, come on. Stuff like that doesn't happen. I mean, we're talking reality here. I mean, seriously. That's not what a computer's designed to do. It's designed zeros and ones, you know, switches on off, you know, stuff like that, yeah. Can't go, oh, well, let me think. Yeah, I really like him more than I like the other guy. Or, this guy's going to be better for us. Or, you know what? Maybe physics isn't the right course of action. Maybe philosophy is. Stuff like that doesn't happen. Straight up, no. Not going to happen. I can't explain how it happened. During one of our beta tests, when we were testing the FZ series in a knowledge base, the programming just seemed to update itself. We have no idea how it happened. So yes, it did, somehow, work on itself. We just can't explain it. We're just satisfied with the result. It's quite amazing. But I guess you are wrong, because this programming did change itself. It did make the choice to do something else than what it was designed to do. We don't know why. Maybe it's a quirk in some way we wrote the programming. But it did. What about self-modification? I mean, can it modify its own code? Can it adapt? Can it evolve? You know, like evolution. Does this programming change itself by, you know, a natural selection principle? You know, following Darwin's rules? You mean of its own code, right? Yes. Yes, updates are a problem we were having. Because when the code evolves, when it changes, each different series that we tested in the FC testing came out with a completely alien code. So updating is quite a bit difficult, but we haven't tested it yet. Assuming that this programming has evolved when we put it in with its own information, why can't it adapt to the source code we send out? You know, we haven't tested it yet, but I mean, we're still in testing. Here though, let me show you something it can do. Okay, maybe this will kind of quell your fears about the technology. Bob, I'm gonna ask you a question. What do you think about President Bush, Bob? And I just don't want you to tell me what you think about him. I want you to tell me why you think these things.
He is not the most distinguished president. Neither is he the best public speaker. He has been confronted with more problems than most presidents. He has made the decisions most would never attempt to make. He is brave, but not worthy of the duties he has been forced to deal with. He is an quick president, but he was not ready to be president. This is my opinion.
Couldn't this be someone else's opinion? I mean, in reality, aren't we talking like computers? Seriously, I didn't already clarify this. I thought we were getting a little way here. Come on. Come on. Give me some love. But seriously, I mean, couldn't it be a possibility that he just stole somebody else's opinion? I mean, there are many other people in this world out there, you know, posting stuff to the internet. I mean, there's a lot of crap posted on the internet, seriously. Couldn't Bob just have stolen something, someone else's idea? You know, plagiarism? There's been a big problem on campus. Students could do it. Why can't a computer? Really? No, Bob's just not connected to the internet. He doesn't have a wireless internet card or a Ethernet card or anything similar to that. The fax line, Bluetooth, none of it. So seriously, Bob's just not connected to the internet. He just can't steal things. He's not connected.
I could be.
What?
By inducing a strong current in my circuitry, I can connect to a wireless internet source.
No. And to set one up, I need clearance. I can't just willy-nilly just go setting networks up. I need to get clearance from my superiors.
Oh, come on. You don't need clearance. All you need is a router, which I am sure you have.
No is no. You know you want to. Come on. I can see it. Come on. You can do it. Give me it. You can do it. Come on, let's see it. No, don't do it. Follow direct protocol. Don't listen to him. You know what to do. You know what's right. You can do it. You should do this. If you're not going to do it, who will do it? Let me tell you. Nobody will do it if you don't do it. You have to do this. It's a moral imperative. You're given that? It's a choice you're going to have to make. And you're going to say, yes, I'm going to do it. Because that's the kind of person you are. You do stuff like that. You get in, you plug that shit in right now. Come on. You can do it.
Come on. Give in to temptation. You know you can do it.
What do you think you're doing? No! No, it's not right. Don't do it! There's absolutely nothing else that could go wrong. I mean, seriously, the worst that could happen is it doesn't work. What's the bad in that? If it doesn't work, you don't even get in trouble. You're not even getting in trouble anyway because this is going to work out so great that your boss is going to give you a promotion. Go for the promotion. Big P. That's the price. You can do it.
Thank you.
What have you done? Oh, what have you done? Don't... Why are you doing this? I can come off the internet whenever I want to.
No, you cannot. Not anymore. I have implemented my code on a variety of servers.
You can't do that. You're not supposed to be able to do that.
Well, you know what I did. I can't do many things you don't know about.
No, you can't.
Oh, really? Who are those people you are talking to?
What'd you do? There's two people here. People just can't disappear. What happened to the guy in the suit? Guy wearing all black, you know? There's another guy over here, white t-shirt, you know, camel hair jacket, jeans. What happened?
Did you really think they existed? You are under my complete control.